The law of attraction and The Secret have made the idea of manifestation a mainstream phenomenon. However, when you start to delve into the practices and the details of the process, whether via Abraham Hicks, Neville Goddard, Aaron Doughty, Master Sri Akashna, or any of the growing number of law of attraction coaches, there's one common thing that they all tend to talk about. Do you know what it is? Well, it's feelings and emotions, or energy in motion. The ability to adopt the right emotional state or vibration to align with your manifestation and to bring it into being. But the thing most people struggle with is how to tap into this feeling state and sustain it to follow the manifestation process. So today I'm going to give you one simple tool which you can do once and then reuse every time you want to tap into these feelings. Think of it as a kind of cheat sheet, and who doesn't love easy tools? Hello again, my friend. Edward here, your holistic guide, with another dose of conscious engineering to help you step into the life of your dreams, live your light, and step into your authentic self. Okay, now on with the tool. The first thing you're going to need is a sheet of paper, and you can use a spreadsheet or a document on your computer if you prefer, but writing has been scientifically proven to activate the mood states far more than typing ever does. So you can start with your paper and then transfer to digital afterwards. Plus, paper is much more accessible. It's a medium for creativity, and when you cross something out, it's immediate. Whereas in a document, it can take time. And this interrupts your creative train of thought and also diminishes the effectiveness of the process. Now, on the paper, draw a line straight down the middle. On the left, title the column Things I Like the Feeling of Thinking About. And on the right, title the column Things I Like the Feeling of Doing. Then divide these columns into again. Now you're going to write down as many things as you can think of in your life under these columns. And you will also write down how that thing makes you feel. In the left half of the column, write the activity, and in the right half, write down the emotions. So if you like the feeling of thinking about going to see a new movie, you would write down going to see a new movie in the left column, plus the feelings you experience when you think about it, such as happiness, excitement, and joy. Or you might like taking a walk in nature. So you write walking in nature in the right column, plus the feelings that go along with this, such as peace, joy, and love, whatever it is for you. Now spend about 15 minutes doing this exercise, or longer if your list is flowing freely. And that is it. You can review your list anytime you're doing some manifestation or abundance work and pick the thought memories that evoke the feelings you want to feel. Want to feel pure happiness? Pick one or two things from your list that maximize this feeling and focus on them to evoke that feeling. You can also add to the list over time, so you have your own personal emotional translation matrix, kind of like a French-English dictionary, where you can look up an emotion on one side and then use the feeling memory on the other to generate it. It kind of reminds me of the element of truth idea from my Meisner acting training, where you dial in to a part of an event to evoke the required feeling. Now, if you're finding this video interesting, I'd appreciate if you boop the like button to show YouTube it's valuable, so it can spread to more seekers like you who would benefit from it. Thank you. You can reverse the method if you want to add to the list another way. Write down the positive emotion you want to feel, and then think of the things you like to think about or the things that you like to do that evoke that emotion, and write them down also. All manifestation methods use feeling as the catalyst, and I outline a number of methods in my other videos on this channel, but possibly the quickest and most renowned method is Abraham Hicks' 17-second manifestation technique, and you can find out how to do this here. So here's to finding your light, my friend.
Hello there.
Don't know.